Did you know that 86% of small farmers are forced to work an off-farm job just to make ends meet? This includes working at a manufacturing site, a local office, maybe even a public school, or maybe a job in sales. The bottom line is that these types of jobs steal valuable time away from the farm. I didn't want to have to leave my farm to generate additional income, so I found a different way. I learned how to flip stocks right from my laptop in my home office, all within 30 to 45 minutes. There have been days where I've made $300 within 5 and 10 minutes, and you just can't beat that kind of opportunity. I learned how to flip stocks by joining a mastermind group called Flip That Stock. It was founded by J.R. Fenwick. J.R. is a master black belt day trader and trainer. He teaches us how to day trade in a fun, easy to understand way, and it's helped me to generate additional income so that I don't have to leave my farm. Now, if you're interested in learning how to generate off-farm income without having to leave your farm by trading stocks like I have, then click on that link below. It's right there in the comment section, or you can also find it right there in the description of this particular episode. If you're interested in joining Flip That Stock, make sure that you use the discount code FARMER. It's time to start leaving the farm. It's time for us to generate extra income without having to leave the farm through the power of the United States stock market. Let's trade and grow our farms at the same time.